Hey, good morning. This is Chad with Hydro-Chem. We are out here today. We are going to wash a couple pieces of heavy equipment. We're going to give you some how-tos. We're going to show you some of the chemicals that we use, process that we go through to get this thing cleaned up, kind of walk you through some of the steps. Hope you enjoy it, learn a couple things. Check it out. So what we're going to do now, we've knocked off most of the heavy mud and the heavy grease. What we want to do now to kind of release the rest of the film bond, as well as some of the mineral and oxidation film on there, we're going to do this with a two-step. In this case, what we're trying out today, we're going to use the #1 Fleet Prep, the #2 Panda low foam. We're going to apply one over top of the other from the bottom up real quick, give it about 30 or 40 seconds to dwell. We're going to come right back over top of it and rinse it back down. Get this thing brighter, release some of the mineral content. All right, so we mixed both of them up. We got kind of a ready to use blend out of both of them. We're gonna be using just a simple 12-volt sprayer. We got each of these diluted down to about 10-to-1 since we're putting it on direct. Depending on what your washer draws, what your water is, and everything like that, you can go a little stronger and weaker, but that's what we're gonna try today. So we got both of our 2 steps off of there. And you can see, you try to work quick. You don't want to spend too much time with chemical. You really want to spend more time cleaning as you rinse it. With heavy equipment like this, I mean, really control where your splatter is. You want to make sure you're not getting mud and grease on all the stuff that you just cleaned. But once this dries up, we'll check it out. Should look cleaner, should look a little brighter, should have some of that mineral scale and oxidation off there with the 2-step.